Welcome to Diamond Delight Edibles. My name is Liz if this is the first time you're joining, and if you're a regular subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back. I really appreciate your support. So today we're going to do Cannabutter ice cream with 3 ingredients and without an ice cream machine. So this is going to be the first time I'm trying it, and I'm a little skeptical, I gotta say, because I've always seen that you need an ice cream machine. So we'll give this a try. I've had a friend try it out and she said it was absolutely amazing. So I figured, hey, why not? Let's give it a try. So it's super easy to do. You just need 3 ingredients: cream, condensed milk, and vanilla, and then obviously your flavor choice. So I'm going to be doing chocolate chip cookie dough and chocolate ice cream. So I'm going to do a vanilla and a chocolate base to show you those two, and you can do whatever flavor combination that you like. Got all the versatility in the world, so go crazy. And that's about it. There's really not much more to get into on that. So I'm just going to flip over that
So
camera
the first thing that
we'll
you're
get
going
started.
to need is 2 cups of whipping cream or heavy cream. You're going to need, if you're in this American, you're going to need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and you want to make sure it's the sweetened condensed. In Canada or other places, if you only have the 300 milliliter can, you'll need to add an additional 1/3 of a cup of the sweetened condensed milk. You're also going to want a 1/4 cup of your Cannabutter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And that's all we're going to need to get to be making some ice cream. So I'm going to start putting the ingredients together. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the cream in, and we're going to start that whipping up first. So we're going to add our cream in, and it's very important, you want to make sure that everything is cold. Put your condensed milk into the fridge a few hours before you plan on making this, because you want your condensed sweetened milk as cold as your cream. And you're going to start it up, and it helps if I plug it in. And now you can do this with a stand mixer, or you can also do this with a hand mixer, or if you're really strong, a really good whisk and a really good arm. Turn your speed on to medium-high, and we're going to continue to whip that until we get nice whipped peaks. Then when it starts to thicken up, then turn it up to its highest speed. We're going to have a look at our whipped cream, see how we're doing. So that's what we want. We want to have that nice, really thick whipped cream. And now we're going to put in our condensed milk and finish whipping that up. So if you're in the United States, your cans are automatically 14 ounces. In Canada, they're 10 ounces. So for Canadians and those of us who have 300 milliliters or the 10-ounce cans, you're going to need the 1 can plus 1/3 of a cup. So we're going to pour this in. Ooh, a little messy. Get all that in. And we are going to add the Cannabutter in as well. And what you want to make sure is that it's cool, but you want to whip it up so that it's soft, but you don't want it at room temperature. Throw that in. Then we'll put her back on to high and let her finish whipping up. That's nice. So got some nice peaks, and now this point is where we're gonna fold in our vanilla and my chocolate chip cookie dough mix, or my chocolate chip cookie dough that I had left over. I'm just gonna add in a teaspoon of vanilla. Give that a quick little whip up. There we go. So it's foaming. It's forming nice stiff peaks. That's what we want. And now I'm just going to fold in my cookie dough. And then we're going to transfer it to a container and put it into the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours to overnight. Bit more. So you can add in anything you like. You could chop up some frozen fruit, nuts, chocolate, pretty much anything, any flavors that you like. This is at this point where you would add it into your ice cream once you have your base. And then we're just going to pour this into either a glass or plastic container that you can put into your freezer. And that's it. Put it in the freezer for 6 hours and we'll come back and see how that is. Now with the other half of my ice cream, I'm going to make it chocolate. So what I did earlier is I made up some chocolate truffle or chocolate ganache. I don't know why when it's in kind of this form it's called ganache, but once you put it into chocolate it's called a truffle. Same stuff, but so what I'm going to do is we're going to stream this through and whip it into the ice cream, make it chocolate ice cream. Just scrape the stuff off the sides. See, look, chocolate ice cream. Just finish whipping that in. And there we got it, chocolate ice cream. So I'm going to put this in a container and do the same thing. Let it sit for 6 hours. When we come back, we'll try them both out. And there we go. There's our chocolate. Doesn't that look yummy? It tastes so good. I can't wait for this to freeze up. So here's our ice cream. I let this set overnight. And let's have a look. Oh, feels like ice cream. Looks like ice cream. Wow, that looks really nice. Look at that. Let's try some chocolate. Look at that chocolate. Look at that. That looks great. All right, so I'm going to give this stuff a try. Oh, wow. Is that ever good? It is so creamy, so smooth. It's like gourmet ice cream. Honestly, I was skeptical about doing this because I really didn't think it was going to turn out that good, but it is amazing. Well, I really hope you guys give this a try. It's super easy to do, as you can see, under 10 minutes and a few hours in the freezer, and you're going to have some homemade ice cream. Well, some special ice cream. And definitely, if you've given it a try, please let me know what flavor you did, and I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments. I'll always get back to you. And that's today's tutorial on Cannabutter ice cream. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new to the channel, I hope you subscribe. There will be definitely more videos to come in the future. Well, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.